Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to learn how to perform taxonomic classification of metagenomic reads using BV-BRC tools. Taxonomic classification is a crucial step in metagenomic analysis. It helps us identify which microorganisms are present in a sample. Log on to BV-BRC platform. As demonstrated in our earlier video, go ahead and upload your raw sequencing data. For metagenomic analysis, you will need to upload the read files for each sample. Typically, each sample will consist of 2 files, commonly referred to as paired-end reads. Next, navigate to the Tools and Services tab. Under the Metagenomics section, click on Taxonomic Classification to begin the analysis. Select the paired-end reads that you uploaded earlier. Enter a sample identifier and then move it into the selected library. Select 16S ribosomal RNA, as we are analyzing V3-V4 metagenomic data. Use the commonly recommended Silver database. Select a folder for data storage and provide a file name, then click the Submit button. Go to the Workspace tab, then under Data, click on My Jobs. Select the completed task to view the results. You may check the alpha diversity analysis. Next, you can view the QC report. The results are interactive, allowing you to customize and explore the data based on your specific needs. Let's take a look at the Sankey diagram. Lastly, let's take a look at the Krona chart. Here, you can explore the composition of organisms within the sample population and customize the visualization as needed. If required, you can also save the image using the snapshot feature. For a more comprehensive metagenomic analysis, you can also use pipelines such as DADA2, which provide higher resolution processing of sequencing data. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more content.